Welcome back. When you're using a course platform or even your own sales pages, you typically will have control over the first page a customer will see when they make payment. And as is the case here in the Teachable course platform, you can customize a thank you page or you can send people to a custom URL where you have control over the look and feel of what is going to be on that page. Regardless, one of the most important pages that you will have as an author and product creator will be your thank you page. Since this is where all of your customers will come once they have made a purchase, this is your opportunity to show them everything that you have available. And so it's on this page that you want to show individuals if you have other information products available or courses, and that you make your other published works available by showing them on your page. And typically, you will be able to edit any page that you're going to be working with in order to place a URL to the specific published work that you want people to see. And so even if you choose not to use a course platform, you want to be in control over your thank you page, making sure that every customer gets an opportunity to see other works that you have available that they can purchase. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.